here of the MCI Homes, and today I'll be giving you a quick tour to our actual turnover finish for one-bedroom unit. So, I am here at the bedroom space. In the bedroom space, you can find your provision for your window type aircon, your access to the balcony, and your 4-square balcony. Of course, all one-bedroom unit comes with a sliding door. This space could be your living or dining space. This is your provision for washing machine cabinet. This is for refrigerator. Comes with a granite countertop, base cabinet, overhead cabinet, and a provision for a range hood. This is your main door and your toilet and bath. In your toilet and bath, it comes with a lavatory, wall tiles, floor tiles, a mirror cabinet, your toilet bowl, and of course, in your shower area, it comes with a provision for a water heater, niche, wall tiles, and floor tiles. If you're interested to acquire to any DMCI Homes properties, you may reach me through my contact details posted in this video. Thank you so much for watching.